910s, yep. It's not something you hear every day. Most people be like 415s or something.
910s.
I have a January giveaway with Sky High. To enter, use discount code JacobViral at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video.
You going in?
No, go ahead, man. Go ahead.
Okay.
For the cause.
Whew. This is solid, man. Did you used to have... Sorry.
You good?
Did you add a loading wall?
Yeah, we finished 4 or 5 hours. Took some time, but we finished it.
Okay. Did the loading wall help the lows or what?
It went from 35 to 34.
So you just lost one peak.
Yeah.
How was it metering though?
At Bourbon, doing 50s, almost 58.
58? Wow. Okay.
Just a 12K.
Yeah. What equipment on the subwoofers?
Just the MD12000, the 2100 battery, Limitless.
Okay. Resilient sounds.
Yep.
What?
Golds.
Gold 10s. All right. Whew. What are you wired to on that amp? 0.8. Okay. Wow, yeah.
Wait till I add more power. Then I'll be like,
Oh, you think so?
yeah, wait till I add more power.
Yeah.
Power, you can get it.
I was gonna say, how much do you think the subs are getting each with that one amp?
I don't know. I think I'm kind of behind like 600 or
600? Yeah.
What you got in the room?
910s.
910s?
Yeah.
910s, yep.
Yeah.
It's not something you hear every day.
Yeah.
Most people be like 415s or something.
910s?
Yeah.
Hey, thank you for the demo.
Alright, Jacob, thanks.
You only open from the outside.
Yeah, outside.
Hey, but it's loud.
Yeah.
Appreciate the demo.
'em up, huh? Get 'em up, huh? Put 'em up, huh? We waking up, huh? Roof on fire, we be high like a.
Woo. Wow, yeah.
Wait till I add more power. Then I'll
Oh, you think so?
Yeah, wait till I add more power.
Yeah.
Power, you can get it.
I was gonna say, how much do you think the subs are getting each with that 1 amp?
I don't know. I think I'm planning to buy like 600 of the
600? Yeah.
What you got in there, bro?
910.
910s?
Yeah.
910s, yep.
Yeah.
It's not something you hear every day.
Yeah.
Most people be like 415s or something.
910s? This shit?
Yeah.
Hey, thank you for the demo.
Alright, Jacob, thanks.
You only open from the outside.
Yeah, outside.
Hey, but it's loud.
Yeah.
Appreciate the demo.
We waking up, huh?
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.